All right, so then you also used those numbers?
Yes.
Okay. Whoa, why is it glitching?
I love when it's 4 and it's like perfect like that.
It is very nice, yes. All right, so then when you plug in 3, you get what?
2.
Plug in 2, you get?
5.
Plug in 1, you get?
10.
Okay, so your graph should look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then 3, 2.
And it's a minimum, right?
Yes. So, like that?
Yeah.
Okay, and yes, it is a min. Its axis of symmetry is at x equals 4. The vertex is 4 and 1.
If we just put 4, would you count it? Or do we have to put the x?
No, you need to put x equals 4. Right, because it's showing that it's this line.
Okay.
So that's why you need the x equals.
I didn't know.
That's okay. All right, number 2, your vertex was?
-1 and -4.
So everybody else got?
-1 and -3. I got -1 and -4.
All right, so let's see. Negative b over. So it is -1. And then plugging -1 in. It is -4. All right, so then 0, 1, 2. I feel like I did that backwards, but oh well. So then plugging in 0, you get -5. 1. Yeah. And then 2.
You helped me on 2, right?
Did I?
I think so, because this is not my handwriting.
Oh no. I may have missed a sign somewhere.
No, you got it right. Oh, that's your handwriting? You didn't help me with this.
Yes, I did. That's the one we did together. Because I got it wrong.
Oh, yeah, never mind.
So it should be upside down, right?
Yes.
So, like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Mine looks a little skinnier than that.
I mean, it probably could.
Okay.
As long as you have your numbers right, you should be okay. So our symmetry is -1. Oh, it is. I circled the wrong thing. Okay. Number 3. What's our vertex?
0 and 1. When are we going to have a test on this?
Probably later next week.
Did you talk to us? No, never mind. That was a different class.
Huh?
I thought you talked
2,
about
4,
us
12,
like
13.
reviewing and stuff, but I'm thinking of class.
Yeah, that wasn't me. Let's see. 3, 9, 27, 28.
She told us.
These are numbers you guys got?
Yes.
So, skinny, kind of like that.
Mine was a little.
My
think I
guys look
miscounted.
terrible.
So you have a min, axis of symmetry at 0, vertex at 0, 1. Okay?
Yes.
All right, and then this one.
-2 and -3?
Yes. I got 2.
I think it is 2.
No. No. No.
Yes.
Come on, it's not happy. So then I just did it upside down, I think. Like it's going like that instead of like.
Probably.
Mine goes like that.
No, never mind. I did get 2 because I erased it. Never mind. Okay, it's right then.
I'm very confused, but okay.
I wrote negative, but then I realized my mistake while doing it, and I erased the negative, but I didn't erase it enough. So when I glanced,
Oh, okay. I'm with you now. All right. So then, what do we get at 1 and 3?
What?
-5.
Oh, I got you.
And at 0, we get -11.
Yep.
I love plugging in 0. -2 minus 8 minus 11.
21. Negative 21.
Yep. All right.
Are we gonna have to do these with like another exponent, like cube?
No, I mean, because those are a different shape. If they're cubed, they look like this.
Ooh.
Are we doing that?
Not, no, but it's not bad. But no, we're not. So, what is happening? Oh, that's what's happening. And then, so kind of like that. It's a really bad graph, but yes, looks like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Great work.
Mine's thicker.
All right. Number 5 should look like that.
And I did that one all by myself.
Let's go.
It
I'm
does,
so proud of
but
me.
my numbers are different.
And that's okay. I probably,
Oh no, they're not.
I just-
saw the other one and yeah. All good.
okay. And then 6.
Oh. Oh,
Yeah,
never mind.
me too.
What's wrong? Did I mess up?
No.
Mine's like, you know that line on the left,
What color?
blue?
Okay.
Mine's going down.
That means you probably did your slope backwards because it's -2/3. So you can go up 2 and left 3. Yep. Okay, but overall we did okay on the piecewise functions?
Yes.
Good job. Jesse, you doing okay?
I didn't do that one.
Oh.
But I did the rest.
Okay. But you feel okay with the other ones too?
Yeah.
You're just like extra quiet back there today. You're sneaky. All right. Not sneaky, but 7. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yippers.
Okay. 8.
Yes.
Teeny tiny right there.
Yes.
9.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, I guess I could have extended that down, but
I didn't.
Yeah, that's what mine were even.
okay. It is even until like technically this, like I could technically have put a point here and continued, but all right. And then 10.
Yes. Let's go.
So we did good?
Yes.
Yay! All right. So glad we got that part down. So now let's learn some more. Okay, no, that's a whole waste of 25 minutes. Probably just continuing working on what we learned today. If we do anything new, I'll record it and send it to you. You're welcome. Huh? I will be here tomorrow. Yes. No, as much as I would like to go to tournaments, I can't. And my parents are coming in this weekend. West Virginia Christian Athletic Tournament, I think.
What's the CEA mean?
West Virginia Christian Education Association.
Why is that?
What's the big difference? Like, what is
Learn about. So, yes, there is an easy way to talk about the transformations of these. Okay, but we have to know how to put them in or how to deal with them in what's called vertex form. Okay? So, the vertex form of a quadratic equation . Does that look kind of familiar?
No.
I don't remember.
What's it look like?
Oh, I remember. I just don't remember.
It looks like the absolute value almost, right?
Yeah.
It does?
Except instead of absolute value bars, you have parentheses and it's squared.
I like absolute value. Absolute value.
It does.
It does,
Okay,
right?
just got that.
So, same rules apply.
Except there's a square.
Right. Okay, but we can find the vertex, right? And it is what?
Is it A and X?
Is it
No.
Oh.
H?
And?
a K?
K.
Yes. My pen died.
I know that.
Because it was the same way. It's the same as absolute value. He's right.
I just kind of guessed. I was like 8. So does that mean A determines the width?
Hold on. Yes. I'm trying. My pencil's dead and it won't let me even use the stylus. Hold on.
You drew that with your hand?
Oh, no. That part I did with my pen, but then now I can't do anything else.
I thought she drew those letters with her finger.
I wish.
Top head returns home.
There it goes. And H is your axis of symmetry. A determines the width and direction of the parabola. It's like if there's a negative in front, it makes it sad, right? Just like it turned the V's upside down for absolute value. Okay? It's a whole number. It stretches. If it's a fraction, it compresses. H and K shift your left and right.
Everything we've learned and squish it in
Yeah.
into this one thing.
Right, that's what I said when we talked about those function transformations. It applies to every function. It applies to absolute value.
Can you quickly say those again? So it was the stretch, compress,
Shift, left, right, up, down.
Reflection.
And reflection, yes.
I do remember.
All right. So it shows the transformations. On a quadratic equation in respect to its parent function, x squared.
What do you mean parent function?
That's the basic one with no transformations on it, right? Like the parent function for absolute value is just absolute value of x.
Oh,
So
okay.
is this pretty much the same thing as absolute value?
Pretty much, yeah.
Just with what's the square do and
It gives it that shape.
oh.
Okay, so you still have to kind of do, all right, so like, we'll get there. Okay, so what does that plus 9 do?
Makes it go down.
No.
Or up.
Up 9.
Dang it. The parentheses is what's like
This
the
is what we're
opposite
doing?
signs.
Let's go.
We're also going to apply it to some graphs today.
So we just
Don't
write up
pout.
9, The
That
this.
was
Yeah.
a pout. That was so look at this me. I was
One of you was pouting, one of you looked disgusted, so.
Which one?
I think that.
Yes.
What would a line look like if you had x to the 4th?
If I what?
Like instead of x squared, it was x.
It like flattens the bottom of the parabola a little bit. They're all, anything to an even power is going to have that kind of shape. So, good question. All right, number 2.
Down to.
3.
Left 5. and
Reflection and left 5. Look at you guys. Let's go ahead and do 5 because it's right here.
I forgot what it's called, but then it goes up 2.
Compression.
Wait, why are we
Thank
going
you.
out of order?
Because I don't want to go back and forth on my thing. So sorry, Jesse. I won't betray you like that again.
So compression is when it's fractions, it stretches when it's whole numbers.
Yes. Now we're going to do 4 and 6.
Reflection, stretch.
Nope. There's no reflection.
What? Yes.
There's
On
no
number
negative.
4?
At 6, John.
Oh, number 4. I'm
Oh.
looking at 6.
Oh, okay.
My apologies.
Right 4,
Yep.
down 1.
Mm-hmm.
The other one is reflection, stretch, left 4.
See, you guys are pros.
I am a professional.
I know. Professional mather. I need to get like a stamp that says like professional mather for when people do good on stuff.
Quizzes and tests and stuff.
Yeah, I do love my stickers though, but.
I feel like we don't
It's please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Yes.
I've always heard it as Sally. I've never heard Sarah.
Right, like who?
Samantha. I'm gonna start saying please excuse me.
And then my husband made a good point that she probably has an Aunt Sarah and that's why she says that. But I'm like, I don't care, it's Sally.
Everybody's been taught Sally.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, so what's our vertex?
-2 and 3.
Not -2. Remember, we switched that first sign. 2 and 3.
Where's the 3 come from?
Right here.
That's the vertex?
Yeah, right? Remember an absolute value? We did that?
This is awesome.
So we could have just done, I'm not complaining, but that's what we could have done.
If we had it in this format, yes.
Okay.
We will then learn, next we're going to learn how to put it in this format if we don't have it this way.
Oh, okay. I like that.
Yeah, right. So then now we know we need 1, 0, -1. And personally, I think these are easier to plug in too.
You're super. This is awesomeness.
This is awesomeness. You just
So like 1 minus 2 is -1, right? Squared is +1. Plus 3 is 4.
Like these.
I'm going to take a wild guess. The next one is 5.
No, they're not linear.
Plus 2 negative 2 squared would be 4 plus 3, 7.
Oh,
Good work.
that's what I said. What do you mean?
5 and 7 sound very similar.
Exactly.
They have V's and E's. It counts. All right, so then when you plug in 3, you get 4. 4, you get 7.
Why'd you go down?
Well, I don't know, because it's the same on both sides.
What am I doing?
5 minus 2 is 3. 3, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Woo.
I also feel like these are easier to plug into the calculator.
Yeah, because you just have to.
You just have to put in the one number the one time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so then now 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 7. 7. That's enough to give us a parabola. Ta-da! So I always kind of like mentally envision my axis of symmetry. Right? So like I know that once I have one here, I'm going to have one just one block over on the other side. And if I'm here, 1, 2, 1, 2. Like, that's just how my brain works.
Is there a room under here?
No, it sounds like it's coming from the choir room / outside. I don't know. Murnahan does weird things sometimes.
Stick it right there. I want to look out the window. Can I look out?
It could be downstairs. There is downstairs under here, like these rooms and stuff. No, sit.
Well, there is a leaking pipe down there.
Oh, that's probably what they're working on then. It does sound like it's coming from underneath us, like
Really?
right over
It
here.
sounds like it's coming from right there.
Like it sounds like I don't know. Either way. So, how do we feel?
Good. I have
Good?
a question on 9. Is it 0 or 1?
So it would be 0.
Okay, that's what I thought.
And oh, can you see the yellow?
Going so fast. Not there.
It'd be 0, -4.
Yeah.
It's okay. You don't have to keep it.
Beautiful.
Jesse's like super pumped over there.
These are so much easier to plug in.
They really are.
The last ones, I didn't like plugging them in.
Yeah, they were a pain. I'm with you.
What? You are wrong.
That's like 1 squared minus 4 is -3.
-3, 0.
I think you're just doing it.
Becomes 2.
I wish I had that ability.
5.
0.
Mental math.
Right?
Mm-hmm. I think so.
Minus 4. Okay.
Oh, something's not right. What did I do? 0,
This is
-4.
a big one.
What is going on?
This is actually a normal size one. What do you mean what's going on?
I don't have a point to mine. Oh, I just forgot to plot it.
That would do it. Right. So this is just a regular parabola shifted down 4.
Mine looks like a sweet potato.
Wait, what is going on
It
here?
looks like a sweet potato. If I just finished it, it would look like a sweet potato.
Oh. We didn't do 7, did we?
Did we skip it?
It's the 4th problem.
Oh, okay.
Yes!
It's easy. Guys, come on. Words aren't bad. Mason graphed a parent function of a quadratic equation. He reflected it over the x-axis,
Negative.
translated it 7 units up and 3 to the right.
X.
Wait, what?
What's 3
X
right?
minus 3 plus however many it was.
-x squared. Oh.
Oh, I forgot that was squared. So for these, there's always going to be the square.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So yeah, that's not bad.
I cannot draw these stupid curves.
So negative x minus 3 squared plus 7.
Mm-hmm. Let's do some more. Woo!
Whoa. Do you change the sign to positive or change the sign? For the vertex.
change the sign. So like this one will be -5, -1. You're welcome. My glasses are very dirty. All right, so with this one, just make sure that after you add and square, you then make it negative. Okay?
What?
Because of this right here. So like when I plug in -4, so -4 plus 5 is 1. 1 squared, so it's -1 minus 1. So it's -2.
Wait, do you square first or do you?
Square first, then make it negative.
Oh.
Because of the negative on the outside.
How did your vertex? Why is it -5 and -1?
Opposite signs
Oh,
of the middle.
I did.
And then,
I was looking at the wrong stuff.
so then -3 plus 5 is -4 minus 1, -5. -10. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a lot of negatives.
Always get out of class. So early. It's tough, man.
And she was like yesterday or
She did. And Tuesday.
Tuesday was because we had hand
Ta-da!
It really wasn't that much early.
So, how are we feeling?
Very, very good.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
So good that I think the last
Just
5
one.
minutes should be a reward of doing that.
That just makes it worse, Joe.
I said we do 11 by ourselves.
Are you
Yeah,
thinking-
see if you guys can get 11. I feel like that's a good, and that'll put us at a good stopping point.
And no homework for tonight?
No, we'll do it in class tomorrow.
Thank you.
You're
'Cause I
welcome.
have other stuff I need to do.
Ah.
So it's gonna be -4. I just want to make sure because I was looking at the wrong.
Positive
stuff last
4.
time. Oh, because the first time I yeah, okay, and 0.
Yes.
Thank you.